What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 18.2. And first off, as you can see, I'm not jailbroken. I don't have Cilio installed. Now, to get this jailbreak, all you need to do is head over to this page, letitrain.com. The I is spelled with one, the letter 1. And yeah, they will tell you how it works, and they will tell you that you can't install Cilio. It's the jailbreak apps and tweak store. You can't install it on a device that has not been jailbroken already. But you can, of course, install apps that has been approved by Apple. So what they did was they simply took an app approved by Apple and they injected it with code containing the jailbreak and Cilio. So when you start this app approved by Apple, then the jailbreak and Cilio will also install in the background. So head over to letitrain.com and then scroll to the bottom and click on this icon here. Now you will get to the injected app store. And now sometimes these apps get patched, that just try another one. They're all, of course, 100% free. Now what you need to do is install this app and then keep it running for, I don't know, maybe up to a minute. Because when you start this app, then the jailbreak and Cilio will install in the background. Like I said, sometimes the apps get patched, but new injected apps are added pretty much daily. So we're just going to start up this new game. And we're just going to wait. Hopefully the jailbreak is being installed in the background. We can play around with it if you want. It doesn't really matter. All you need to do is wait and it should happen. There we go. That's a sign that the jailbreak is finished installing. And now we have Cilio. And now you're jailbroken. And that's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 18.2. If you like this video, I would be very happy if you commented, subscribed, and thank you for watching.